being Podorite. We are proud to be a Podorite. हम पोदार ग्रुप को बिलोंग करते हैं, ये हम गर्व से कहते हैं, बड़े शान से कहते हैं कि हम Podorite हैं. उसमें the function of education is to teach one to think intensively and one to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. ये मार्टिन लूथर किंग ने बड़े अच्छे से कोट किए हैं एजुकेशन के बारे में, how it functions. Reflecting on 15 incredible years with Podar, मैं 15 साल से जुड़ी हुई पोदार एसोसिएशन में. I am filled with gratitude and pride. Being a part of such a respected and esteemed organization has not only shaped my career, but has also inspired me every day to strive for this excellence. Podar brand. To say about Podar brand is one among those educators and is renowned for its tag. Tag बोले तो Tech Avant-Garde, mainly based on technological services to enhance parents and pupils support, and is made accessible to the user from anywhere, any place, and on any device. They develop and provide continuum training on software operation systems, which includes various innovative digital tools into the learning process such as 3D printer, visualized based teaching learning methods, smart class, as today's generation believe in audio visual learning. आजकल के जनरेशन देखकर सीखते हैं. Technology based learning also changes the students teacher dynamic, placing greater responsibilities on students for their education success, and teachers are able to act more as guides. Podar School has an innovative edutech e-learning facilities, and they provide necessary trainings to the teachers to get acquainted with the new techniques. Developing content for interactive textbooks from grade 1 to 8 of CBSE boards, which includes training and support for the effective use of e-books. Best digital learning. Yes, आजकल we live in tech savvy world. There is an app for everything. हर चीज के लिए app होती है. There are machines that can track the number of steps you take in a day. Information is at everyone's fingertips, and it is constantly updated. Gone are the dusty days of encyclopedias, now converted into Wikipedia. And as much as some of us may recollect for actually having to search through a book to gather information, there is no denying the accuracy and speed with which you are now able to learn. Technology, as with more or less everything, is no stranger to education. Technology-related practices are passing through the classroom, resulting in our schools that are increasingly connected online. The potential benefits of technology-integrated classroom are vast, and educators are becoming more and more open to the idea of using technology to support their curriculum goals. Due to its effective use of technology in education, Podar group of schools was awarded the best ICT-enabled school in all over India. The management of Podar International Schools brings together a great learning community. This year, Podar has bagged awards as follows for the year 2024 and 25. I'm proud to announce this. Recognized as a respected education brand in India by Education World. Most trusted brand in India by Marksman Daily. Recognized as the best education brands by Economic Times. Podar Innovation Center. Our scholastic record, innovative learning methods, and strong commitment to delivering quality through integrity has helped us reach heights that few have managed in the field of education. It also focuses on such comprehensive educational system that fortifies the tender minds into progressive, tech-savvy, yet rooted in our rich culture heritage individuals. Our network of schools aim to fuse the strong cultural fundamentals of Indian society with advanced learning tools acquired from the world over giving education an exciting and a dynamic direction, thus enabling the young generation face the challenges of 21st century skills. PIC, specialized in curriculum research and development, involves in designing our own publications right from grade 1 to 8. Among all 149 international schools, Podar International School in Kauli, the best renowned international school in all over Sindhudurg district across was established in the year 2019 and successfully completed its 4th year as on 23-24 and now stepped into the 5th year. I feel proud to be the principal of this esteemed branded institution. To speak more about the progress of the school in this academic session, let's begin with the enrollment for this year, thus adding a number from 401 to 535 plus 100 in Podar Prep pre-primary section. Moving on further, we brief about our achievements both in scholastics and co-scholastics areas. Beginning with thematic learning unit, grade 1 and 2 and 3. Yes. Based on 21st century skills and building foundation right from the base level, our special trained, well-qualified, experienced and expert creative curriculum team, CCT, develops creative and innovative skill-based learning program, especially for the grade level 1, 2 and 3, through which subjects like art, music, physical education, yoga, computer and library reading skills are integrated and interwoven with one concept to teach and to reach it to the students. School investiture ceremony. This is thematic. A school investiture ceremony. The school always gives top importance to developing leadership and 21st century skills among the students. Accordingly, the investiture ceremony was held at PIS CBSE Kankavali. The entire student council comprising head boy, head girl, captains of various house and school sports and cultural captains along with deputies were selected. The confidence level of the candidates was expressed and commitments towards fulfilling the vision and the mission of the school were the key action point of the ceremony. NEP 2020 जो है जैसा हमने कहा था वो ऑलरेडी हम लोग NEP अप्लाई कर चुके हैं. हमारे बच्चे जो है एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग ये जो प्रोग्राम हमने बताया था इस हिसाब से. स्टेट बोर्ड का कैसा रहता है सर? इट इज ओनली द ऊना बोर्ड बेस्ड करिकुलम है, टेरिटरी विद इन द स्टेट करिकुलम. ये जो है सेंट्रल बोर्ड का है ये पूरा. सो NEP 2020 जैसा मैंने आपको बताया है, वी आर ऑलरेडी इनटू द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ इट एंड वी विल फॉलो ऑल द CBSE गाइडलाइंस एज एंड हाउ it implements and we will definitely go ahead with it.